Unlock the secret to youthful skin. Welcome back to our channel. Imagine a natural solution that transforms your skin, giving you a youthful glow while smoothing out wrinkles and minimizing large pores. This powerful gel could be your secret to flawless, radiant skin. This magical gel helps to wrinkle reduction, deep hydration, skin nourishment, anti-aging. Let's start by understanding why these ingredients are so effective for wrinkle reduction and overall skin health. Let's get started. Flaxseed, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and antioxidants, flaxseed gel helps to smooth out fine lines, boost hydration, and protect your skin from free radicals. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds to add little water in a small pot. Place the pot on medium heat and bring it to a boil. Stir occasionally until the mixture thickens into a gel-like consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once thickened, remove from heat. Let it cool for a few minutes. Next, strain the gel using a sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Place 3 to 4 tablespoons of flaxseed gel into a bowl. Aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera gel also stimulates collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce signs of aging. Add 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel to the flaxseed gel. Almond oil. Packed with vitamins E and A, almond oil deeply nourishes the skin, reduces dark circles, and improves skin tone while combating signs of aging. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil to the mixture. And blend everything together until smooth. To keep your flaxseed gel fresh and effective, store it in an airtight container and refrigerate. Always use a clean spoon or applicator to avoid contamination. Add a small amount of flax seeds to the gel and mix thoroughly. Allow the flax seeds to infuse their benefits by letting the mixture sit overnight in the refrigerator. Cleanse your face, apply the flaxseed gel, massage gently, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or overnight, then rinse with lukewarm water and pat dry. This powerful combination smooths wrinkles, deeply hydrates, nourishes the skin, and provides anti-aging benefits, leaving your skin youthful and radiant. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful DIY gel that can transform your skin into healthier and glowing. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're excited to try this amazing flaxseed gel at home. Remember, consistency is key, so make this a part of your regular skincare routine. I'd love to hear how this gel works for you, so drop a comment below with your results and any questions you have. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on my latest beauty secrets. This homemade gel can last up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Thanks for watching, and remember, beautiful skin starts with natural care. See you in the next video.